Hello, a Field Programmable Gate Array, FPGA, is an integrated circuit that can be configured and customized after manufacturing. It enables a company to integrate AI into its existing applications. Using FPGAs, AI capabilities like deep packet inspection or financial fraud detection can be added to existing workloads. However, the implementation complexity is considerable. While the potential for using FPGAs to accelerate deep learning is promising, only a few companies have attempted to implement it. Intel describes some of the challenges that accompany the use of FPGAs in order to address the need for fast and reliable delivery of information from one device to another. For example, Intel describes using a FPGA to accelerate machine learning has great potential, but warns against its failure rate as well as its complexity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.